guys, I'm back. Perseverance. I'm not going to give up on this. After the last failure, last video, I've decided that forced air is the way to go, and I'm going to use a fuel pump to deliver the fuel. I'm going to put the fuel pump on a speed controller so I can speed it up or slow it down as well and required. But anyway, going back to the burner itself, what I've had to do, I've cut it off, the bottom off, so now there's full access to the holes on the side. Okay, so no good. So now I need a new base for it. So I've been rooting around, come across another cylinder. Prepared it this morning, cut the top off, filled it with water and cut the top. So now this will sit on the top there. I'm going to weld it all the way around so it's airtight, and then basically once that's in situ, that will go on top. So what air I pump in here, the only place it's going to go is through the holes on the burner unit. Now let me just shift this. I was struggling to decide what fans to use, so in my box of tricks I come up with that, and I thought, nah. Then I thought maybe two of these. Nah. Then you'll like this one. Decided, what about this monster? Nah, over the top. But right at the bottom of the magic box, I come across this one. Definitely. And so with that, weld it to there, fit that on, and we've got the air. Brilliant. So that's what I'm going to do with that. Before I go any further, this fan is straight 240 volts, 220 or 240. So what I've gone and done is, I've had it for a while. I bought a electric voltage regulator, basically a speed controller. 240. So this. Okay. That's definitely sufficient. That will do the job. Definitely. 100%. I really didn't want to use, well, I didn't really want to use 240 volts, but I was hoping to try and get away with 12 volts. I did think about this is 12 volt, 12 volt, 90 watts. Now I thought of the actual cylinder there is cutting a hole from the bottom. Well, first of all, put legs on the cylinder, cut a hole in the bottom, and then fit that directly underneath. That's still a possibility. I could try both, but I won't for now. I'll just go with that one. I don't think this is as powerful as that. So that was an idea. That would be connected to a speed controller as well. Now, fuel delivery. Tried to rack my brains. I could put a tube through one of these holes and just sit it on the inside, but a part of me is saying, why don't I drill a hole down there and fit this long tube. Well, it's copper, and I think that is 2mm. I think it's wide enough for thick oil to go through. So drill a hole in, put that through the hole, and then fasten it through. So basically it'll be connected to there. And then what I could do then is put a small tube over top of it and put grooves in it, so if it squirts up it's not going to go everywhere inside, and then it'll just come out and float around. I had an idea of probably using a MIG tip. I think that's 1mm. We can look at that actually. I'm just going to do a fuel test. Should be interesting. Right, I'm going to look at the fuel. I've got the option of 2 pumps. Got that one, so we'll try this one. And a slightly smaller universal one, so we'll try that. So what I'm going to do, got a bit of the hard stuff here. I'm going to connect this one first, and then I'll get back to you. I'll also zoom in so you can see it. Right, I'm going to go with the small pump first. I've got the original jet I'm going to use, so we're just going to see what it's like. Just going to connect the power supply to the pump. Right. Just bend that up a little bit more. Don't want to bend it too much because I don't want it to snap. That's the only one I've got. Right, okay, so we're on. Let's the speed controller's on 0 at the moment, so Should be far off. Might have to get rid of the air first out of it. Whoa. Okay. Turn it down. That's at 44%, so we could use this one. At least it can deliver enough fuel if required, so that's definitely an option. Oh, sorry about that, guys, but the battery went dead, so I just had to change it. Okay, so that's the first pump. I am now going to do the second pump. Back again, I'll zoom in so you can see it. Right, guys, I've got the second pump connected. So there we go. On its way through. There we go. So to be honest with you, let's turn that up. Oh no, yeah. Almost in jet mode, that. So either pump, by looks of it, will deliver the fuel no problem. But I'll tell you what I do want to do. I want to swap nibs. I'm going to put that in. It's a bit blurry, but there we go. I'll try it with that. Now it's got a 1mm instead of the 2mm. So we'll take that off. Funny enough, it actually screws on, no problem. Right, so that's in place now. Let's switch it back on. Yeah, not as much, but it's only on 60%. So if I turn it right up, here we go. Oh yes. So I could use that nib or the other one. This is 1mm, that's 2mm. So yeah, let's turn this down. Switch it off. Right, at least we know both pumps work and we can control the flow of oil coming in. Brilliant. So I'm going to slip of the old coffee. Right, so we know both pumps work. We know the forced air system will work. I've got speed controller for the fuel pump. just got to decide now where to put the fuel nozzle. Underneath, at the side, not quite sure. Just don't know with that one. But anyway, I'm just going to tidy up and I'll come back to you. Right guys, so there we go. We know we've got the air, we've got the fuel delivery, got the controller, got the base for the burner. So yeah, we're ready to go. Oh, before I go, I want to show you this. This is the EGR I fitted. I'm going to have to solder these copper pipes in, because I'm going to go copper pipes straight to the pump on this one. I've still got the glass, well, the viewing glass to fit. So, and also going back to the Tobii DVR, if you don't know what I'm on about, if you go back to some of my videos, I'll show you. Now this is fitted spot on, it's level. This device now works, hence why it's going to be in here, so it'll keep me nice and toasty. I've got to put a patch on there, weld a patch on there, and what I had to do, because remember one of my videos there was smoke coming out when you first lit it, but now I've drilled, it had 3mm holes in it. Now I've drilled a ring of 8mm, so now there's plenty of air getting in. So what I'm going to do there, I'm going to put a cover here, just going round it, just sticks out slightly, just to help it go through, and this is going to go through the wall. And what I'm going to probably do is I'm going to fit a one of them DVRs on the side. I think you call them DVRs, I can't remember now. Like on the other one, to try and get some hot water. I may even connect that to a car radiator, put it somewhere like over there and do a test on that. But that's one of the next ones after I've done this one. So if you don't want to miss that one, don't forget to subscribe on that one. Right, that's enough of me gibbering on. Time to tidy up in here and then have a look at how I'm going to get things together. But anyway, hope you liked it. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Yeah, subscribe if you want to continue to see the build. And then, yeah, I shall see you guys soon. Take it easy. See ya.